right, hey, this is Roger and Friends Hot Rod Garage. This is Saturday, the 30th of December 2023, and I invited a couple of folks over to help out with Urine's pickup truck. That's the 67, the one sitting in there. You just saw it come off the trailer. And then we got a couple other, this is another 67 that belongs to Brett. And we actually had to pull off the side right here to see what the brakes look like. And then we repeated that process back here on the back. We got like 6-7 guys right here. We got Gil, Bant, Brett, Jörn, Dominique, Marcus was there earlier, and John Hubner, all, you know, self-proclaimed backyard wrenchers, but we're knocking all this out right here and get his truck back on the road because the brakes need to be completely redone. So anyway, so take care and hope you enjoy the video. Bye-bye. All right, a couple of grilled ham and cheese sandwiches.
Yeah, it is. They were missing. Yeah.
All right, so Roger and Friends Hot Rod Garage. This is Jurg's truck. Rear brakes. Front brakes. Master cylinder in a couple of seconds. And we go from there. Brake parts and Jack and Coke.
Tastes good, Roger.
Barron, take a break.
A little bit.
Oh, his hand's way too fucking dirty.
Here, take a break.
Hey, thanks.
So are mine.
Not a hillbilly solution. This shit broke off. I got this on here. This is too hot to touch, so here we go. You can use it down there. Look, actually cleaner now on the bottom.
Yeah.
Alrighty, then we'll do it down here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now find me the bolt that goes in there.
Yeah.
That's a threaded.
Find you the bolt.
That's a threaded.
Don't be coming over here giving all these orders and commandos. You're the guy laying on the floor.
Roger this, baby.
Look at it.
Look
Like-
at this, baby. Baby.
Maybe.
Got it for you.
Oh no!
Got it for you,
First
man.
drift band.
Got it
Look
for
at that.
you.
First
That's the
drift-
right one.
The German jet engineer from Lufthansa figures the shit out.
Man.
Oh man!
Hillbillies from
I
North
can't
Carolina,
believe
and
it.
where are you
But
from?
this-
Ohio,
But it's gotta go the
Massachusetts.
other way around.
Stop drinking,
Oh,
man.
Rich? I haven't started yet.
Drinking, man. Burning all the evidence here. Grilled cheese on the top. Oh fuck! Bag full of
You had a
fittings.
bag full of fittings.
Oh, they're not.
Big,
It was
small.
a plastic drawer full of fittings. Right here you go.
Yep. Okay, thank you.
This is a drum in the back and disc in the front, larger. Okay, cool. And now, make sure that falls over and spills on the floor. And then now you just plunge this back here, the plunger, and this is called bench bleeding. Hope that this doesn't go horribly wrong. Wait a minute. Moving. There it goes. And we're just going to get the air out of it. German's called Entlüftung. All right, bench blade. That'll be 9/16. Yes, sir, Bob. Yeah, I don't even think I need the. I'll just put these in here. Brand new Tractor Supply, sells by the pound. Mini C-clamp.
Perfect.
Perfect. All right. Hey, one more time for the GoPro family on YouTube. So this is Brett. Brett has graduated lug nut school. We put him in charge of polishing lug nuts. Polishing lug nuts. You only when you graduated school are you allowed to use. Hey, wait a minute! Don't f up the threads in here, buddy. Hey, urine will get a case of the ass at you. He won't be able to drive home. But anyway, and let's go over here. Let's see what we got on station number 3. We have Gil. He's in charge of manufacturing new brake lines.
And I even remembered to put on the fitting.
Put on the fitting. Isn't it nice when you don't forget to put on the fitting?
Yeah.
Hey, show me your device right here. This is better than that cheap shit you buy.
Yeah, this is you put the line in here and you crank it up and tighten the line down. Then you use the one pressure, push it in, use a little nipple, and then you use the other sharp side of the nipple. Yep, I did.
All right, he said nipple. All right.
All right.
We're gonna go to station number 4 now. Station number 4 is Bernd. Bernd just woke up from his siesta. He ain't been doing shit all day.
Okay, got it, John. It's in.
Yeah. All right. Now it's in.
Wow.
You're telling John it's in, and John doesn't go, woo!
John, it's in. Oh.
Now, so Bernd spent the last 3.5 hours doing one side, but it looks pretty good. We'll give him the credit for that one. Now, hey, stop shooting me the finger. All right. So let's go back around the other side. This is Urine's pickup truck, and here's the other side. So we got this done. Here's the happy owner, Jan.
Hi guys.
And then we've got the new master cylinder in here. This is the correct one. This is disc, drum in the back. Got a proportioning valve back here. We're running new lines, of course. Basically an entire new system right down here. And because Rock Auto sells these things for so cheap, why rebuild the old ones when you get these things for like $41? Now we will have to take a pressure cleaner of this and clean this thing up, but this has got a disc brake conversion. This is a 67, but it's a nice solid pickup truck, and that's basically it. And let me go find John down here. John is at station number 11, and he's already moved on. He was actually in charge of the actual, where are they at? There they are right there. That is the emergency brake cable or park cables. Here they go right here. Nice little system that GM developed right here. But check this thing, everything's looking pretty clean and spiffy. This is a one-day Saturday job, and I'm gonna crawl out of here. Now, we did take a break about 3 hours ago. Finished up a couple of these bottles. There's 1 or 2 empty around here. We haven't gotten to the good stuff yet. We'll drink that a little bit later on. Grilled ham and cheese is gone, but check this out. This is December 30th, I believe, 2023. Beautiful temperatures out here. I think this is probably like, I don't know, I'll call it 70 degrees. So there's the Porsche. There's Brett's 67. My Nomads parked down here. Yes, sirree. You know that there's a left side and a right side drum, right? You got the right side on the right side and the left side on the left side? Just asking, man.
No.
Just look it out for your safety.
Shut the fuck up.
Oops, sorry.
Doing double flares there, Mr.
Yes,
Glenn?
sir.
One person working, 1, 2, 3 supervisors. That's about right.
One beer drinker.
Let me see that.
I'm not designated.
Gonna flip it over now.
Designated beer drinker.
Yeah. The second half of the double flare.
Thank you. Thank you.
Dude, that's this good shirt, man. That's a Sunday go to church shirt.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Dude,
You guys.
if you hit him, man, I'll write the statement. There you go. Another perfect double flare, baby.
And a perfect thank you.
Cook one now, cook one, cook one, cook one, cook one, cook one.
Thank you. This was my favorite shirt.
Oh no, so I'm sorry.
Sweatshirt.
I'm so sorry.
My wife says, wear the
Alright,
sweatshirt
look.
so that you don't get your diabetes.
I don't know if we're gonna get done with this today or not, but I might do a couple outtakes after this, but hey, we're almost done. We've got the last brake line to do right now, so that was our last double flare going to the passenger side front. But loads of fun. This was all about a couple of drinks, putting hopefully the truck runs okay, but we're basically done. We're
It'll
gonna do
run, but will it stop?
Will it stop? All right, man. So take care from Roger and friends, Hot Rod Garage. Take care here. And look at this. This is the second to the last day in 2023, and we've got almost t-shirt weather out here. All right, take care. Bye-bye.
I'm not actually picky.
Perfect brakes. Clutch, turn, push button over here. All right, everybody's gone right now, and we're done with the project. Just had a little bit of damage, not much. Everybody behaved. So look, master cylinder, check mark. Rear brake drums. We had Barrett in charge of that primarily. Front calipers, yours truly did that one. Brake lines, front to back. That was Gil, the master double flarer. Check mark on that. Front and back. Lug nut polisher, that was Brett. He actually went to college for that. Lug nut polisher. And then we've got emergency brake cable. John did that one, excellent job. And the ignition switch, we just didn't get to it today because the car works perfectly fine, but you gotta push the button to start it. So we're eventually gonna add this right here, which has got a ignition switch built into it. Anyway, so look, from Roger and friends today, Hot Rod Garage. Glad you joined it. Man, we had a good time. And we got the 67 C10 long bed looking pretty spiffy. And check this out, I actually got the polish one of those wheels right there. Man, that looks absolutely old school and cool. But anyway, take care, enjoy the video. We had a great time today on the prior to the last day of 2023. Take care, Roger's Hot Rod Garage. Bye-bye.